First, let's find the slope. So we're going to take we're going to call this ordered pair number 1, and this will be ordered pair number 2. So we're going to take the y-coordinate in the second ordered pair, which is negative 3. And we're going to subtract the y-coordinate in the first ordered pair, which is negative 1.5. And if you subtract 1.5, or negative 1.5, we have to add it over the x-coordinate in the second ordered pair, which is negative 2, minus the x-coordinate in the first order pair, which is negative 5. And same thing, we're going to have to add there. Negative 3 plus 1.5 is negative 1.5. Negative 2 plus 5 is positive 3. Now we could actually divide and we get negative 0.5 if we do that. Or we could rewrite this as negative 15 over 30. And that's if we move our decimal over one place. Okay, and on the top and bottom of the fraction. And then reduce negative 15 over 30 down to negative 1/2. This would be your slope, or this would be your slope. Now, I'm going to come up here to the table, and what we can do is find the change in x and the change in y, and see if we get the same thing. You go from negative 5 to negative 2, that's adding 3. Negative 2 to positive 4, you're adding 6. 4 to 10, you're adding 6. On the other side, negative 1.5 down to negative 3, that's subtracting 1.5. Negative 3 to negative 6 is subtracting 3. And negative 6 down to negative 9 is subtracting 3. Then if we take negative 3 and divide by 6, negative 3 over 6, that's going to be negative 1/2. Same thing here, negative 3 over 6. And if we take negative 1.5 over 3, that's also negative 1/2.